Hello, this is Mr. Bevan speaking. Thank you for your attention as I describe the course selection process for next year. Course selections will be made online through the Aspen Student Portal, exactly how they've been done in years past. This screencast will help you in the process of selecting the courses you will take next year. Please listen carefully and watch the following demonstrations so that you may make the course selections you want. Before you log on to the Student Portal, you first should consider a few points. First, you should consult the Program of Studies, which is a description of all the courses available at Westwood High School. You can find the Program of Studies on the high school website under the Guidance Department page. I'll show you how to access that now. Here's the high school website. If you click on the Guidance Department page, go to Academic Resources, and click on Program of Studies. You should also discuss your choices with your parents, your teachers, and your counselor. Your teachers have already made course recommendations for you for next year, relying on their experience with you as a student. In our experience, the most successful course selections are those that strike the balance of being challenging, while also allowing the student to find a level of success that they will be satisfied with. Once you are familiar with the courses that you would like to select, log on to the Aspen Student Portal. When you are logged on to the Aspen Student Portal, you are able to view the courses your current teachers have recommended for you. Let's look at that now. Here I'm logged in as Otis. If you click on the My Info tab up at the top and the requests down on the bottom left-hand side, the course recommendations for Otis are listed here. If you want to identify which course or take a look at which course you've been selected, you can take a look here in this column under School Course Description. And to know which level that course has been recommended for you is, you can do that by looking at the fourth digit in this series of numbers here. So for instance, under Physics, it says 4042, that's a physics course, and that fourth digit is number 2, so that is a level 2 physics course. If that is a course that Otis would like to change, he would go into the Select button, deselect the course he's been identified as taking, and then select a different course. So here he would go from a level 2 course into a level 1 course and click OK. And that change is reflected here. Please note that fake Otis here under this exercise is listed as having two social studies, two courses here that are not actually truly courses. So English level 2 is a generalized designation and just signaling to Otis that he's being suggested for a level 2 course in English, and same with social studies. He still would have to go in, and this is only true for rising seniors, go in and now select which actual courses he'd like to take. And so in order to do that, he has to first go in and deselect that designation here, Senior English Level 2, which is not an actual course. It is just a placeholder until he chooses the courses he would like to take. Otis, I'm going to put you in AP English Lang and Comp. Click that. And now you see that show up as AP Lang up here in this top row. You do the same here under Social Studies, choosing the Social Studies course that you'd like. Again, that is only true for rising seniors. For rising sophomores and juniors, these two rows will be pre-populated for you. Once you have made course selections in the core content areas, that is math, science, English, social studies, and foreign languages, you must indicate your elective choices for next year. In Aspen, under Primary Requests, you will select a first choice elective. You'll notice here in this row, this remains blank. We're going to click on that and choose a course for Otis here for his rising senior year. So we can put him in AP Computer Science A, click OK, and you see that show up here. Under Alternate Requests, you will select 3 alternate elective choices. During the scheduling process, we will do our best to honor your elective requests. Please note, each year a few people fail to indicate their 3 alternative elective choices, perhaps thinking that this strategy will somehow guarantee they're getting their first choice. I caution you that this will not be the case. If you do not indicate 3 alternative choices, you may be randomly scheduled into an elective that simply fits into your schedule. Please also, for seniors, take a moment to choose your English alternate courses in case you do not get into your initial course choices up here. You simply do that by clicking on that select button and then choose the courses here, following the instructions in this box up top. If you are a Learning Center student, please make sure that you are choosing Learning Center as your first choice elective. That would be here under this row here for elective. You would be choosing elective and go in and find your Learning Center, and that will populate in that row for you as well. Finally, as you may know, we offer certain courses in hybrid and online formats. Let's talk first about hybrid courses. Hybrid courses meet in a classroom setting with their teacher only on some days of the cycle. On the other days of the cycle, students complete assignments independently or in an online forum. For a list of hybrid course offerings, please see the Program of Studies. If you are unsure about whether a hybrid course is a good fit for you, please speak with your guidance counselor. WHS also offers enrollment in fully online courses through the Tech Connections Learning Academy. These courses are open to juniors and seniors only. Course descriptions are listed on the Guidance Department website under Academic Resources. I will show you that again here. Back at that same Academic Resources page, if you click on this, the Online Learning tab here will tell you what courses are options for you there. Online courses include courses that we might not have enough enrollment to offer here at Westwood High School. Please see your counselor if you are interested in taking any of these courses, as the registration process is different from our course selection process. It is very important that you hit the post button after you've completed your course selections. If you fail to do this step, your course selections will not be saved. The Aspen Course Selection Portal will be open from this Monday and will close at the end of the day on Friday. During this time frame, you will need to log in and make your course selections. The deadline for making course selections is Friday. For more information about this time frame, please see the front page of the high school website. Also important, students who miss Friday's course selection deadline will be given last priority in the scheduling process. In April, you will receive a course confirmation sheet. Please check this sheet carefully for accuracy and let your counselor know if there are any errors. Also, please remember, the choices you make now are a commitment. It may be difficult, if not impossible, to make schedule changes once you commit to them. The selections you make now will determine what courses we choose to run and what the master schedule looks like in the fall. If you have any questions or if you have difficulties logging into Aspen, please see your counselor.